Hey loves, welcome back. I'm Naturally Curler and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I use MoKnowsHair new product line from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. Now I didn't get the whole collection, so there's a couple things missing, but we're still going to get into the products that I did get today. So the first product I'm starting with is the Curl Co-Wash Conditioner. Now I'm going to be using this as a conditioner slash kind of co-wash, but not really because I'm not a fan of co-wash products, period. It's just by preference. I need a shampoo. I did already shampoo my hair with a different product. They didn't have the shampoo when I got to my Sally's Beauty Supply Store, which is why I can't review it for you. The conditioner does feel very creamy. I let it sit in my hair for like 2 minutes while I detangled my hair with my fingers. I find that sometimes detangling my hair with my fingers is a lot easier because I can feel for the tangles versus just using a comb, and sometimes I can be a little harsh on my hair when I'm combing my hair out and rip out hair that doesn't need to be ripped out. So I like to detangle with my hair, with my fingers I mean, because it allows me to feel for any kind of tangles, any kind of knots, and I can get it out easier. It may look like I am going harsh, but that's only because the video is sped up. Now, they did not have the curl primer leave-in conditioner, so I didn't get a chance to use that, but I do have some other products that I will be reviewing in the video. Now, again, this product is it's a pretty good product for, I will personally pick it up as a conditioner. I don't even think I need to use a deep conditioner, but I'm still going to use it because I only let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes in my hair. But I don't have anything complaints. I don't have nothing to say. The only thing I could say, and it's just for preference, is that I don't like to co-wash my hair. I rather shampoo than use a conditioner. And that's just me. But there are a lot of natural curly girls that prefer to co-wash. So if you prefer to just co-wash your hair, you would just use warm water and then you will let it sit in your hair for like 2 minutes and then wash your hair out either way. But again, for me, I prefer to use it as a conditioner. I like it as a conditioner. I like how creamy it feels. It feels very hydrating. It has a very smooth like texture, like velvet kind of texture. It just feels so soft and cool in my hands. So I like the product. Okay, so after washing my hair out with cool water, I'm going to use the Curl Restoring Treatment. And this is pretty much a deep conditioner treatment. You will let it sit in your hair for 7 to 10 minutes under a hair steamer or dryer. I sat under the hair dryer for probably about 15 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like to sit under the dryer for a minute because I'm lazy. But this product is very smooth, and it it took me a minute to get it open, as you can see by my facial expression. But it has like a Vaseline kind of texture to me, in my opinion. Like it's like I felt like I was putting Vaseline on my hair because of how thick and smooth it is. It does smell like the salon. Like, I can't really describe it. Like, you know how the salon smells like of products and like a sweet smell of certain kind of products? That's what it puts me in the mind of. It puts me in the mind of salon. And as you can see from how it looks, it just like a thick Vaseline is what it kind of reminded me of. But once you sit under the dryer for at least about 10 minutes or more, I like to sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes, even 30 sometimes, just depending on what the product says. But since she said 7 to 10 minutes, I was like, I can do 15. I'm lazy. It melts in your hair and you get a really like just a really your hair just feels so soft. It's like you have to try it for yourself. Your hair just feels soft. I will say that the product is really small, so if you have a lot of hair, you're probably going to go through this product like instantly, depending on how much you deep condition your hair. And if you like me, I deep condition my hair weekly. I would be done with this in 3 washes. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I probably got one more scoop if I'm lucky, and then a little bit after that. And that's just how I will have to like do it. So that's probably the only thing I wish like the that was a little bit bigger because I like the deep conditioning treatment. But when it's a new product and the whole thing is for you to come back and buy more, people have to make a product a profit off of it. So hey, and I'm using my plastic bag baby. So this next product is the Curl Styling Potion, which is pretty much a styler. It's a lightweight gel, and it's a leave-in conditioner all in one. And it really does put me in that mindset. And the other product I'll be using is the curl smoothing pudding, which is for like twist outs. It has defined and flexible hold. I couldn't get the leave-in. I'm using this product as well just for that extra So the curl styling potion, it does pretty much remind me, like the texture feels like a leave-in conditioner, but it still has that jelly like texture that lets you know that it's a gel. Even though not texture, it feels like a leave-in conditioner, but it still has the texture of a gel. The curling smoothie feels like a really creamy paste kind of. I'm trying my best to describe it, and with both products a little goes a long way. So I'm going to layer the curl styling potion first, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the curl smoothing potion, which y'all already saw, and I'm just going to put it on per different sections of my hair, and then wrap my hair around the rod using my flexi rods. And I'm just doing it in a downward way, so when I sit under the dryer, because I will sit under the dryer, um it dries. And I sat under the dryer for like 45 minutes. It dried really quickly. I didn't have to stay under the dryer long. So I'm just wrapping my hair around the rod, and then I'm going to take a little bit more of the curl smoothing pudding, and I just like wrapped it around my ends just to secure my ends in place. And the curl smoothing pudding has a little bit more, um, it just adds a little bit extra, because I was a bit nervous using these two products because they're so creamy, and I wasn't really like, I can feel that it was a gel with the curl styling potion. And then she did say this was a, I believe she said this was a lightweight hold. So I wasn't too sure on how it was going to define my hair, like how my hair was gonna come out using this. So I was pretty nervous. Now, I don't know if I would use these products, the curl styling potion, on a wash and go. Like, I have to watch her video and see how she uses it on a wash and go, because when it comes to wash and goes, I get really nervous with lightweight products, because my hair frizzes up really fast because I have fine hair, and it's like I need a strong amount of hold so it can withstand me picking out my hair, or it'll just go into a fro very quickly. But as far as a flexi rod set, this styling potion was bomb for that. Even the curl smoothing pudding. I don't know what I was about to say. Pudding was great. I feel like if I use that product, I'll get a bomb fluffy twist out. Like, both these products together gave me life. They gave me volume, they gave me fluff, they gave me what I wanted. Like, in my head, I was like, I'm hoping this comes out right. And it came out right. So I was very pleased. My hair felt soft, it felt good. It actually lasted, shockingly, my hair actually lasted 2 days. Now, for those of you that are probably like, oh, 2 days, you must understand I have fine textured hair. I'd be lucky if I leave the house and my hair even survives the weather. The wind blows, it's already blowing out my curls, because that's just how my hair is. Fine hair has a hard time hanging on to styles. So I will say my hair lasted the whole night. It was my anniversary night with my husband. We've been together for 8 years. My hair lasted, y'all, and it lasted the next day. So I was so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, the wind blew, she didn't move, all that good stuff. So I was just very impressed. So now I'm just going to separate my curls, and I'm going to show you how the back looks while I pick my hair out and all that good stuff. So I prefer to use a metal pick. It is a long metal pick. It kind of broke on me. It is what it is. But because it does not pick out my curls, but it does give me volume. The main thing is still to be able to hang on to the definition when you pick your hair, or it's just pointless. So a long metal pick is always what I use to achieve volume as well as keep the definition. Now this is the finished look. These products run between $10.99 to $11.99, and I think one other product is $9.99. So let me know your thoughts on below and if you're going to try the line for yourself. And again, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.